Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and correctly remove the front door handle on a BMW E65. So, make sure to watch until the end, because there is one important hidden mechanism that you need to release before the handle can be removed. First, open the door and look at the side edge of the door. Here, you will find a small plastic cover. To remove it, you can use a plastic trim removal tool, or even a flathead screwdriver if that is what you have available. Just be careful not to damage the plastic or scratch the paint. First, remove the small cover, and then remove the larger plastic cover to gain access to the handle locking mechanism. Now we come to the most important part of the process. Inside the door, there is a long metal locking mechanism that holds the door handle in position. To move this mechanism, it is helpful to use a tool with a small bend or hook at the end, so you can insert it through the opening and reach the metal mechanism inside. You can also use a ratchet with an extension and an 8mm socket. Before moving it, let me show you exactly which mechanism we need to work with. As you can see, this is the metal mechanism that needs to be pushed backward. The goal is to move it toward the front of the vehicle, which will release the door handle from its mounting position. I insert the tool through the opening and carefully push the mechanism. Sometimes it can be quite tight, especially if the handle has never been removed before or the mechanism has accumulated dirt over the years. If it is difficult to move, you can gently tap the tool with a small hammer to help push the mechanism. Just be careful and avoid using excessive force. Now take a look. You can see that the mechanism has moved and the door handle is already released. Once the locking mechanism has been moved far enough, we can safely remove the door handle. However, the handle may still feel slightly stuck in the door, so don't try to pull it out with excessive force. Instead, use a plastic trim tool and carefully insert it underneath the lower part of the handle. Gently pry it outward and release the remaining clips or mounting points. Once the handle is free, carefully pull it away from the door. At this point, there is still one more component that needs to be disconnected. You will see a sensor or electrical component attached to the door handle assembly. To completely remove the handle, this sensor also needs to be taken off. To remove it, simply loosen the small hex head mounting bolt. Once the bolt has been removed, you can carefully disconnect and remove the sensor. After that, the front door handle is completely free and can be removed from the vehicle. And that's the complete process for removing the front door handle on a BMW E65. As you can see, the procedure is not particularly difficult once you understand how the hidden locking mechanism works. The most important thing is to work carefully,